Hello, welcome back, welcome to a new reading, a new general reading, a not time specific reading. It's not time specific because my intention before I do all the readings is that these messages that come will find you at the perfect time for you. So if this message resonates, that means that it came to you at the perfect time for you, and it is yours. I speak here about energies. I'm not speaking about sexes. I use the characters in the cards to express myself, to try to keep the storyline as good as I can, and using the characters in the cards helps me. So please bear with me, and you know that we all have both energies in us, feminine and masculine. So just bear with me, please. Because I speak about energies, these can interchange with the characters. So I can speak directly with you, Libra, or I may speak directly to the cross watcher. If this is your case, you will know. Thank you for all of you who make donations. I really do appreciate them. So thank you. For those of you who are interested in private readings, you can find all my details in the description box below. Also in the description box, I started a few months ago to put some book titles there. Books that helped me in this journey called lives. Books that change my perspective, books that really impacted me and my life. So if you're interested in that, I change these titles every month. You also can find them in the description box below under the title My Bookshelf. If you like what you're seeing, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you. Also, I like to let the cards come out by themselves. I know it can take a while. This is why I will always put a timestamp in the first comment that I will pin, so that you will find it easily. If you are not interested in this whole process, just click the time at the timestamp and the recording will go automatically to that point. This being said, let's start the reading. For all who have the Sun, Moon, Rising, or planet Venus in the sign of Libra, what's in their best interest to know now? What's for their higher good to know now? Now being the time that you are watching the video. For all who have the Sun, Moon, Rising, and planet Venus in the sign of Libra, please. What's in their highest good to know now? Best messages for Libra, please. This is you, Justice or Libra. So maybe you are trying to rebalance your life, or maybe even try to get your justice been done, or You're funny, Libra. Let's see. For Libra, please. King of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, the Sun, the Devil, you, Justice, Nine of Wands, Eight of Wands, and the World. At the bottom of the deck, Four of Wands. This is the energy that holds together your entire reading. Or maybe you are at this moment in this energy. It can be sometimes subtle and you're not conscious about it. It can be stronger and you are conscious about it, and it can be so strong that even people around you are conscious about this energy. And Four of Wands can speak a lot of things. We can speak about new beginnings, new associations, new partnerships, a new home, a new business, engagement, marriage. Regardless of what it's your case, it's something that it's starting now. It's built now, having a very solid foundation on which you can build upon in the future. So something very solid is being built right now. It starts now, and it's a good omen because it has a very stable foundation. As signs, we have here four major arcana, so something is starting to changing into your life. But from these four major arcana, two are also signs. Sign of Capricorn and your sign, Justice. Maybe you are dealing with a Capricorn because it's very present, the pentacle here, mostly the king and the knight of pentacles, who are earth signs being Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. So maybe you are dealing with a Capricorn, but it's something very positive. This row, something came to an end, or you want to end something, because you have here the World, the last card of the major arcana, that symbolize major chapter in your life coming to an end, but not coming to an end just to end it. It's coming to an end because it served its purpose. You learned your lessons and you are ready now learning the lessons to move on, to upgrade your life, to go on another level. And maybe you came to this ending, going to justice, having justice being served. Maybe you put an end to a relationship, maybe with a Capricorn, because the world is exactly under the devil. Something is coming back to balance. Justice is being served and something is coming back to balance, because you felt for a long time as being left alone. You are being left here, the only one who has to fight and keep on fighting, and you are tired, you are bruised, you are sick and tired to be the last one on which everybody puts their hopes, and you are simply done with it. But also you know deep down that you have to go on, because 9 is the number of completion. But in order for you to learn the lesson, so the chapter, the major chapter, is being ended with the lessons learned, so that it never comes back to it, you have to wait just a little bit for one wand to come, so that from the 9 of Wands we come to the 10 of Wands, and there are the lessons learned. Hard lessons, but they are learned. And you will have your information, you will get some information, maybe exactly the information that you needed in order to make the jump from 9 to 10, so that you come to this ending, to this completion. And you information is coming towards you in a hurry, through via mail, phones, a lot, or it can be movement. You are moving on with some information that come to you. You can move on, you can put an end to a chapter that was very important into your life, but by putting an end to it, maybe, I tell you, maybe you are putting an end to a relationship, or putting an end to a business relationship with somebody from Capricorn. Or you can put an end to something that was not right, and you did go to court to find your justice, and you are starting something that you are very passionate about, maybe with a Capricorn, because the Sun is also here, and the Sun is the most positive card in the tarot. So it's finding the joy of life, it's doing things that you are enjoying, and lift up your spirit and your vibration, and you enjoy everything that you are doing with people that you are enjoying. And maybe you finding something, a new association, a new offer, it's coming towards you, maybe from somebody of Earth, so Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. It doesn't matter. This is a very strong, as I told you, very stable offer, because the King of Pentacles, it's a very successful businessman, somebody who has money or knows how to get to money, somebody who can be a CEO or a very influential in the business community, that plans everything. He does everything having a plan. He doesn't think about what he wants to do from today till tomorrow. He thinks some years in front of him, and this is the energy that moves very slowly, because they want to do all their homework. They come prepared, and when this offer comes to you, they will know, or maybe we are speaking about one person, he will know how to put this offer on paper. So if you have questions, he will already have the answers to your questions. But this is a very stable, maybe a new job, business offering, something that you will love to do and find it very enjoyable to do. And it's something that starts now. It's something that has a very solid foundation. It's something that you can build upon in the future, so that you will have the prosperity and the success and the abundance that you want for yourself, and you will be able to enjoy also the fruits of your labor. To think that this is how life should be, this is really the way, it's like when you were a child and you didn't worry too much and you were very present in your life and life was your oyster. It can be this way. Good luck, Libra. The sun again. So much joy, and also the kind of energy that comes through, so much light. It's like you are being, you are illuminated. If there were situation in which you had some doubts, some fears, some whatever, dependencies, codependencies, whatever they were, you will know exactly, you will understand, you will see things that you didn't saw, because this kind of energy that comes through, so much light. If there was something that you were fearful or something that you didn't knew because you thought that it was hidden, it will come out. The light is coming so brightly towards you that it's positive upon positive. So don't worry, everything is working out for the best. What's with justice, please? Tell me more about justice. Why is justice here, please? Justice. So justice is here and it will be served, and you are present, and you are coming into your own energy, and you start to feel yourself as being yours. And just look at it, it's a sun also here. So everything that the sun illuminates, and you had it twice, will bring, you will have, just like in the palms, you will have the light into your palms. So enjoy this, Libra, because you will know what to do, where to do, when to do it, in order for everything to come to fruition into the perfect time, so that everything is illuminated, so that everything is just and right, and justice is being served, and it will be everything made in balance. You regain your balance. You're not only regaining your balance, you are balanced. It's like you are becoming the balance, and everything that you touch It's like you are becoming Midas. Everything that you touch turns into gold. 9 of Wands. What's with the 9 of Wands, please? Five of Wands. So you are sick and tired of this combative energy, or maybe about a domain in which competition was fierceful. I think that you are putting an end to this kind of situation or combative energy in which you were for a long time. And 7 of Wands, maybe you felt like this is a warrior that stands up for himself and puts healthy boundaries, and by this coming upwards in reverse, sorry, it's like you felt for a long time, and this is why you felt tired and sick and tired for everyone to put upon yourself their responsibilities, and you not being able to stand up for yourself, not being able to put those healthy boundaries. But you, as I told you here, keep on going, even if it is hard, even if you feel like you cannot anymore. Something in you tells you keep on going because you have just a little more. And this is why you kept on going, because you knew even if at this moment I'm not able to put healthy boundaries and I'm not able to stand up for myself in this combative, very combative energy, I know that justice will be served, and I know that it will, my good faith and my good omen will come to me with the sun, and everything will be illuminated and everything will come to light, and they will know, or I will know through this energy, whatever it was. It's like you are waiting for the perfect time so that when you strike, but you are still waiting for your perfect time, and it will come, and it will be with truth and honesty and light. And this is why you knew that you had to keep on going. These informations that you still are waiting, in this moment you are waiting for some information for you to be able to put an end to it. Let's see what's with the 8 of Pentacles, of Wands, sorry, 7 of Pentacles. These are your seeds, this is your garden, the pentacles being seeds, and the seeds being your dreams, your hopes. So you get some information in order for you to take care of your dreams and hopes, in order for you to tend your garden so that you will have the abundance, the harvest that you want, the harvest for which you worked so hard. So you will get those information in order for you to be able to tend your garden so that you can live the life that you want according to the effort that you put into it. What's with the world, please? Tell me more about the world. Why is the world here? What's coming to an end? Eight of Cups. A chapter is comes to an end in order for you to be able to move on to the next chapter. And in this new chapter, after this chapter comes to an end, you are being guided to follow your path, to follow your inner guidance. To you already have this 8 of Cups. Some of them are spilled, some of them are not, but we all want to get to the 10 of Cups, and this character, to be able to have those 10 of Cups, he's missing 2. And this card is telling you, follow your path, go as your soul guides you to, because you are going in search of those 2 of Cups that you are missing. The 2 of Cups can also be the minor arcana of the Lovers. So whatever, if we are speaking about emotions, because Cups can speak about mostly emotions or not, follow your path, go on your path, whatever everybody else thinks or says, because a lot of them will tell you what are you doing, where are you living, where are you going. Maybe if you are going, you can lose everything that you already have. And the guidance through this card is to follow your path. Just listen to your inner intuition, listen to your inner voice and follow that voice, because it will lead you to that thing that your heart is desiring and you are striving for it. It's like something is calling out. You will be victorious. Just simply follow your path, because you will be victorious. What's with the devil, please? Tell me more about the devil. Why is the devil here? The Knight of Swords. Maybe it was somebody that came into your life and put your whole life upside down, because this is a very fast moving energy. It's the sign of swords, so air, your element. You know how you are a fast moving sign, but the Knight of Swords is the fastest of the fastest. He comes in and puts everything upside down like a hurricane. You don't even know what went through, where, who, what happened. It can be a kind of a person that came into your life with great passion, and the way that he came in, he got out, because this kind of, you cannot stop this kind of energy. Or maybe it is somebody who's like coming to your rescue, and he won't stop until he brings you the justice that you need, that you want, in order for you to be able to conquer all your fears and doubts and troubles and dependencies, or whatever they are. It can go both ways, but it's an energy that comes very quick in and moves very fast. What's with the Sun, please? Tell me more about the Sun. I think that if you are putting an end to something that happened maybe with a Capricorn or whatever it was. I think that this Knight of Swords is like somebody that comes in for your rescue. It's like you, justice called for this warrior to fight for your justice. He won't stop until he comes to the result that he wants. What's with the Sun, please? And he also has a Sun on his whatever that is. He is fighting for you. What's with the Sun, please? Tell me more about the Sun, please. The Knight of Wands and the Five of Cups. So, Five of Cups speaks about remorse, regret, something that you feel like you lost, something that you are hurting. This is real hurt. You are thinking about what you had and what you lost, what you could have done otherwise. If you could had done otherwise, what would it be, and those kind of things. But something is spilled from these Five of Cups. Three are spilled, so this is lost. Please don't concentrate, don't focus only on the negative, because you have here the Two of Cups. Maybe those Two of Cups in which you are going towards, you are going in search of, they are here. So even if it feels like everything is lost, it's not everything lost. You still have these Two Cups. You came out of an inferno and you are still alive and kicking. You came out of this inferno. Even if it may feel like everything is lost, it's not. These Two of Cups are safe and sound, and you will see. Just keep your heart and mind open, because they are here. Just focused. Don't focus only on the negative. And you will find your passion again. You will find your calling. You will. The Knight of Wands can be somebody from the fire sign, so Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. The Sun is the strongest from those three signs in the sign of Leo. Maybe somebody from Leo is coming also to the rescue. Maybe you are thinking that everything was lost with somebody from a fire sign, maybe from Leo. But the main thing that I'm getting from this card is that you will regain your passion, you will regain your drive, because from the Knights, and you have three Knights in a row. You have the Knight of Swords, the Knight of Wands, and you have here the Knight of Pentacles. It's something, these are opportunities. These are people that are doing something in the real world. They are coming with something to offer, and I think that something is ready to start, a new association, a new business, something. after you are thinking that everything is lost and everything looks like hell and everything we don't have and we won't have this again, you will put, I think you will put your minds together, more of you, and you will regain your balance. You will be with people around you that have the same wishes, the same beliefs, the same kind of ideas. But when you put all together your abilities, you will be unstoppable. Please. And you will become very passionate about what you are doing. I know it can be very hard and you can feel that everything is lost, but it's not. And you are ready to do something so that it will gain some momentous, or something is going on with these 3 nights here. It's a new beginning. You ended here a chapter. It's like what we are living in the whole world. We are seeing that things are not working out as we thought they will, and all those things that are not working out, we know that we have to change them, and now we are ready to put our work into it in order for us to make our own chapters. What's with the Knight of Pentacles, please? That offer, that business offer, that new job, whatever it is. What's with the Knight of Pentacles? The Hanged Man in reverse. So you are coming out of this blockage. You are coming out. For a long time you felt like being blocked with the Hanged Man, but the Hanged Man came out in reverse, and that means with the Sun, the Hanged Man puts himself into this position in order for him to understand what he didn't understood until now, to see what he couldn't see until this time, and he waits here until he is illuminated, and the Sun illuminates him, this Sun. So the Sun came here and you saw everything, what you had to do. You understood what was not right, and because of it you are being enlightened, and you see what you didn't saw, you understand what you didn't understood, you get the other perspective. So this is why you coming out of the blockage. And this opportunity will come at the moment that you are coming out of the blockage. And you have also here the Page of Swords, who also came out in reverse. This is your energy, Swords. This is your energy. Maybe you are feeling the Page of Swords can be somebody who's very charming. He's very intelligent. He knows how to communicate. He knows how to speak, when it's best for him to speak, or maybe not, with whom to speak. When he is in a balance, when he is balanced, he can be very charming and very successful. When he is not in balance, he can be very manipulative. So, I don't know if you want to manipulate somebody. I hope not. I simply advise you, even if you are thinking that This can be something that can manipulate you. Stay again in this sun and get the other perspective. And so you will know. You had also the other sun from this deck of cards when I started with the clarification. You had at the bottom of the deck the sun with two suns. Please understand that this is not something that can be manipulated. Also, the sun being a major arcana has the capacity to put out all the negative vibrations of the cards in the minor arcana, the sun being a major arcana, and the page is minor arcana. So have trust, really have trust, and try to think brilliantly and communicate as I know that you can, and don't think about manipulations. You had to deal with some manipulations, but please come out of it. I leave this upright. 6 of Wands. Again, you will be successful. Have trust. What's with the King of Pentacles, please? Why is the King of Pentacles here, please? This is why you need this balance. This is why you need the balance and you need the justice, because you are for a long time in a very imbalanced energy and maybe in imbalanced situations. And this is why the first thing that you are thinking, this cannot be true, this is too nice to be true, something is smelly here, somebody wants to manipulate somebody else. What's with the King of Pentacles, please? Tell me more about the King of Pentacles. Two of Cups. And a Ten of Pentacles in reverse. So you really have an opportunity for abundance, but it's like you're not wanting it, you're not believing in it. Ten of Pentacles, even if it comes out in reverse, it speaks about lessons about abundance, lessons about material things, lessons that can go wrong in the material world, but you have here a new opportunity. It's your decision if you are taking it or not. Maybe you are seeing it like, I can have this opportunity, I can be with somebody who understands me, who is my other part, but I don't have anything to offer. I'm not worthy of, I don't have anything, I lost everything. How can be this person to want to be with me? Maybe he sees your true self and sees the worth that you're worthy of, not the material things that you have or you lost. Come out of it. It's not everything lost. You have here the Two of Cups, Just look at it. This Two of Cups. It can be somebody from an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. But sadly, you are concentrating and focusing on only on what was lost in this inferno here. So maybe finances were lost. Doesn't matter. You are the one who makes that, not the vice versa. I think that these Two of Cups called upon you and you heard them and you follow your path in search of them and you have the opportunity to find them, and along the way you suffered a great deal. I'm not saying you didn't suffer, but you focus only on this and they are still there. You cannot see them, but they are there. Believe me, they see the worth in you, not in what you have in the material world to offer. Trust yourself, Libra. Let's see. You have the opportunity of something new, new partnership, relationship, new home, new business, moving in with somebody, maybe with this somebody. Don't sabotage yourself. Best advice for Libra, please, at the end of the reading. What's the best advice for Libra, please? Gaia, Earth connection. Be mindful of the planet. Come back to Earth. Stay grounded. Gaia is Mother Earth. She is the keeper of the light who holds the planet in her hands and heart. Her kiss is on every animal forehead. She is the life that moves through the planet, the plants, the sweetness within the honey, and the force that encourages the bees to fly. She loves, protects, and guides all beings. She asks us to love them too. How can we help them? How can we help the planet? You are blessed to receive this great Mother card today because it shows that the earth itself, through the image of Gaia, is protecting your path. You are a strong, focused, and loving individual. Stay grounded and don't allow your imagination, ego, or fears to run away with you. Ensure your choices are for the highest good. Gaia is also bringing her motherly love to you and encircling you in a cocoon of peace. If you have had troubles with a mother in your life, or are feeling disconnected from or grieving your own mother, Gaia helps revitalize that connection and will bring healing where it is possible. If you are a mother and are worrying about those duties, know that Gaia is thanking you for your hard work and commitment. The earth is blessed to have you. I hope this helped. Till next time, take care. Bye.